Before you throw those leftovers away, wait. I'm turning them into completely new meals. First, yesterday's rice gets a second chance. A few simple ingredients, a quick mix, and then shape them into little bites and let the pan do the magic. Crispy outside, soft inside. And suddenly, they don't taste like leftovers anymore. Next, that leftover chicken gets shredded, seasoned, and rolled into something completely different, until every side turns golden and seriously crispy. That leftover chicken just became a crispy snack I'd happily make again. And the bread sitting there getting ignored? That's becoming dessert. Golden on top, soft in the middle, and just sweet enough to feel like a real dessert. 3 leftovers, 3 completely different meals. And almost nothing went to waste.
So next time you see yesterday's food in the fridge, don't ask, should I throw it away? Ask, what can I turn it into?